Hey guys, welcome back to Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to turn on dark mode for TikTok. This video will be very easy, so make sure you watch until the end. And also, make sure that you like this video for more helpful tech content. So the first step is opening TikTok. Now that you're here, go to your profile icon at the bottom right corner. So just tap on the three lines at the top right corner, and then tap on Settings and Privacy. Now, you're gonna want to scroll down to Display, which is right here. And as you can see, there's dark mode. I'm currently in light mode, so let's move to dark mode by tapping on it. And there we go. It's really simple. You can also use device settings. So when it's nighttime, it's gonna go to dark mode, and when it's daytime, it's gonna go to light mode. It's pretty cool actually. So, it's simple as that. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. Any comments and suggestions? Feel free to comment down below.